Hey y'all, Mr. Lopez here, checking in at the end of what is, I guess, officially our second full week of spring break. I hope all of y'all are doing well as can be expected during what are certainly uncharted waters for all of us. Um, Essentially, what I wanted to make y'all aware of is the information that's in our most recent weekly announcement. Um, for our purposes, the biggest thing to keep in mind is that because we extended spring break at Wake Tech for a second week, the semester is going to be extended by an additional week. So, what was originally planned on the academic calendar as our final exam week is now going to be, for our purposes, lesson 15. So, if you look at our lessons folder, we have through lesson 12 posted. And what I have planned is lessons 13, 14, and 15 to finish the semester. And then the second thing to keep in mind is that our final exam will also be posted to the lessons folder. Once we get closer, I'll post more information regarding the exam. But because campuses are closed and we're officially all virtual, even though we were virtual to begin with, y'all won't be able to take your final exam at a Wake Tech e-learning testing center. You will take your final exam through Blackboard. I will block off a section of days during the new final exam week, which is the week of May 11th. And you'll be able to log into Blackboard. I'll provide you with a password, and you will take your exam at the computer of your choice. And it will be timed. It will be basically a one-shot essay that you'll take via Blackboard using Microsoft Word. And it'll be just like you went to the testing center, except you can do it at your convenience at your home. More information on that coming. So essentially, we're getting back at it this week with lesson 10. And you'll work through 11 and 12 all the way through the submission of essay number 3. From there, we'll start prepping for the final exam. And we'll continue just like always. You know, an online class shouldn't be disrupted that much by something like a global pandemic. I know it sounds like a joke. But, you know, whatever the disruptions are, let me know and we'll work through it. I'll do everything I can to help y'all. As always, do not hesitate to get in touch. Send me an email, post a general question to our I Have a Question forum, and I'll continue to answer those and answer you, and we'll do our best. I look forward to reading some more work from y'all. If I can help with anything as you get back started, just let me know. And I hope y'all are happy. And whatever I can do to help, get in touch. Bye.